Okay, so while I'm waiting for components to come through in the mail through customs and whatnot for my injection set, I want to show you why I'm building that injection set. So I've built in the past. I've built a few of these now, but it's hard to calibrate them and all that sort of jazz. This is an Arduino 3-phase electricity meter, smart meter, energy reference, all that, power quality, all that sort of jazz. Yeah, so it's got an Arduino Uno in there, and it's got an ATM 90E36 energy metering IC. Yeah, so I'll show you the data sheet. So I've got your volts, your current, so I'll just bring it up in here. So you can see what I'm bringing in right now on the different channels and whatnot. But what I really want to try and get to is get to the harmonic registers and pull out THD and that sort of stuff. So I've got somewhere with that. So this is the PQ data, the THD data, so total harmonic distortion coming through there. So if I do PQT, this is the third harmonic and the fifth harmonic. Alright, so that you can see that the thing's a bit dirty. The power supply is a bit dirty, but it's kind of good for in a way because it means I can help test it. Yeah, so I can do all sorts of fun stuff with this thing. So I can get energy question mark, I think. Yeah, so things. So if I hit DMP, it just gives it me one massive list, and what I can do with that list is it's a string. So I can actually say, oh, the first thing in the response is volts for A, second is volts for B, third is volts for C, and so on and so forth, and then currents, and I can then grab that data. I can grab that data and put it into different columns, into different graphics, like graphs, all sorts of stuff in Windows. So that's where I want to go with the computer side. I want to get all the PQ data, energy data. Basically, if it's in the chip, I want it out, and I want it out to graphically represent that. Yeah, so Arduino based smart meter powered by a three-phase volts and current injection set here. So with this, I'm waiting for some current transformers to be able so I can step up the current. They're currently with DHL trying to get through customs or whatever the hold up is there. I'm not sure, but they've been waiting over a week now, which is kind of annoying. It's been holding up this project because once I've got the current transformers, I've stepped the current up, that I can get the higher currents without overworking the power amplifiers. And once I've got all those together, I can then actually come up with an enclosure that's going to fit everything. And once I've got an enclosure that can fit everything, I can have all the wires neatly done so they don't get noise and all sorts of stuff. So we can clean all that jazz up. Yeah, so once all that's completed, obviously I'll have a build video for the injection set. I'll have build videos again for the power quality, the smart meter thing, Arduino smart meter, and the electricity meter thing. Yeah, so stick around for that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to get more information in the future for that. Yeah, so come back again, and hopefully we get further along. And the further along we get, the closer we get to giving away all the information. But if multimeter's been on too long. But if you want to get more into different things, look at some of my other videos, and you'll see videos for other power meters that I've made using the Arduino and all that sort of stuff. Yeah. All right. So see you on the next one.